In this video, I'm going to cover how to report an incorrect direction inside Google Maps. And so the first thing is you'll want to be on a desktop computer. As far as I know, you can't do this on the mobile. I've tried, I couldn't figure it out. So go ahead and put in your directions of where you want to go. I'm going to show you a real example of one that I just submitted here. And then go ahead and choose the path if you have more than one directions to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And in this case, the direction that is wrong is right here. And so this turn is actually incorrect. It should be this turn. If you turn in here, you actually can't go down this road. And you know, this is an airport. And so it's like, hey, this is kind of a bigger mistake. And so what you're going to do is you want to make sure that you are logged in, ideally on your profile inside Google. So if you have a Google Drive, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go down to edit the map. And then once we select edit the map, right here you're going to see report a problem. Flag the part of the directions that is incorrect. And so I've already zoomed in to where I wanted. If it was one of these parts, then you'd want one of those. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. And so I'm going to hit the flag button. And then from there, go ahead and choose what it is. Whatever closely matches whatever the issue is, and then go ahead and hit submit. And then you can put in the details. I advise you to take a little bit of time to put it in very coherently because this does get manually reviewed, and they'll be able to see, you know, in this case, it's like, hey, this direction isn't turn right. You can't gain access to the airport itself because this is a closed drive for security purposes. Otherwise, you can just drive out onto the tarmac and you're not allowed to go through. And so it's the next exit up, or the next right turn up, and you know, explain it that way. So pretty easy to do once you actually know what buttons to push. I know it took me like 30 minutes to figure out, embarrassingly. So if you're having trouble, don't worry about it. Now you know how to do it. Thank you. That's it.